Hey Astro Squad. Welcome back to Quiz Astro, your galaxy of brain-tickling trivia.
Today's challenge, can you guess 60 fast food restaurants? Just by looking at emojis? Some are easy, others will have you scratching your head. Hit that like button if you love fast food, and subscribe if you're ready to win this quiz. Let's go, foodies! First one up. Guess this restaurant using just these emojis. Great. It's Taco Bell. Spicy Start Astros. Another simple one, way too easy to miss. Yup, it's Burger King. Press like if you've ever had their Whopper. Which restaurant is hiding behind these emojis? Leave your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it first. Would you rather eat at Burger King or at McDonald's? Honestly, I'd pick both. Can't resist. Smash like if you love burgers from Burger King. Press subscribe if you prefer McChicken from McDonald's. Comment your name if you love both. Who recognizes this icon combo? That's right. Domino's Pizza. Pizza delivery pros. This one smells like morning coffee. Starbucks. I love their caramel macchiato. Guess the real logo of Starbucks. A, B, or C? It's C. Did you get it right? What's the name of this chill place? That's Dairy Queen. Cold treat, cool vibe. Breakfast lovers, this one's for you. Can you taste this chicken from the emojis? Yes, it's KFC. The Colonel never disappoints. Spot the Southern favorite. That's Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen. What's this quick serve delight? Yup, it's Subway. think roast beef and curly fries? You got it. Arby's. Here's a spicy one. That's definitely Del Taco. Any pizza lovers out there? Oh yes, it's Papa John's. Which food chain does this remind you of? It's Jimmy John's. Feeling crispy and fast? That's Raising Cane's. What comes to mind here? Oh yeah, Church's chicken. Recognize this bowl? That's gotta be Panda Express. This is where the wings live. Comment your answer to question 20 below. Whoa, whoa! You made it through all 60 fast food emoji questions. How many did you get right? Let us know your score below. And if your stomach's growling now, we totally understand. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome quizzes, only on Quiz Astro.